Hey people, it's your girl Muthoni Karaoke. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. This is a channel where we make food and travel a lot and lots of food. So, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And as for today, we'll be making banana fingers, really simple recipe that you can throw down in your kitchen anytime with bananas, sugar, and breadcrumbs. That's all you need. So let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe before I leave. Subscribe. You're almost at 200 subscribers, for those who don't know. Anyway, let's get cooking. thank you so much for joining us today. And today I'm here with my little helper. What's your name?
Alice assistant.
And who are you? My small
assistant.
small sister slash assistant. So we are going to try the banana fingers for you guys. And here they are. So we are going to share. Cut half. Eat first and tell us what is your thought.
It's good, guys.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
So tell them, what should they do?
You should subscribe.
And
like and comment.
So till next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.